Welcome to an introduction to accounting and to TAS Basics. In this podcast we're going to show you how you enter details for suppliers. You can see that we have a drop-down menu for suppliers here, which allows you to enter or make inquiries about suppliers. We can enter suppliers' invoices, and we have an interactive flowchart. I should say that the recording of purchase orders like purchase order processing and sales order processing are not available on the basic version of TAS. You have to upgrade for that. So that's one way of dealing with suppliers. We can do it by the drop down menu from here, or we can go to the suppliers icon, and this brings a nice little flowchart up showing how we can go through the stages: create the supplier, edit any details, enter any invoices or credit notes, receive any refunds, make payments, and so on. So we want to enter or create a supplier. I'm just going to put the wizard up in the corner because it's easy for me to follow there, and I'm just going to work through the wizard entering the details. So I start with the code that I'm going to use, and I always use here 4 or 5 letters plus a series of numbers, 001 here. So here I have my name of my supplier. My supplier is not also a customer, so I can leave that blank. I'm going to click on next. There we are, and we now fill in an address and a postcode, and the country, which is for this, it's going to be United Kingdom, and that's our name and address of the company. So next we need a contact, so we fill in our contact with a telephone number and an email, and a 9-digit VAT number, and we go to next, and we have to set a credit limit here. So we would say that we've been given a credit limit of 7,000 by this supplier, and do we want a default analysis code for purchase ledger? Let's leave it without that for the moment, and go to next, and that's it. We've created our supplier. Would we like to enter another supplier? No, not at the moment. One will be fine. So that's how we enter the details for a supplier within TAS Basic. Thank you.